I spent $1,000 on the hottest designer luxury boots for autumn winter 2020. I don't know what I was thinking. You guys might hate them. Hello fashion lovers, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are discussing my latest designer luxury purchase. As you can tell from the title, I spent $1,000 on the hottest autumn winter boots for 2020. You guys might hate them, you might love them. I'll unbox them for you. I need you guys to tell me what you think. Should I keep them? Should I return them? This is going to be a luxury designer unboxing for autumn winter 2020. Before we get into this video, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you love luxury designer hauls, then please give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of these fabulous uploads. Also, make sure you follow my social medias. They will be linked up above. We're in a different setup. We're in my living room. If you haven't seen my living room transformation video, make sure you go and watch it. I've been updating the living room, so it might look a bit different. Next to my piano. My lips are Fenty Beauty. We just have my vintage Saint Laurent earrings, and let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, I'm in my natural hair for the first time on YouTube. Let me know what you guys think. I'm just wanting to embrace my natural beauty, so hence we've switched it up for today. Anyway, beside me we have a massive box from My Teresa. So I'm actually propping this up on my piano stool because these are very, very heavy. I was on the ball in terms of shopping for my autumn winter stuff on time, hence why I got these, because they're very, very, very difficult to get now. So we just open this up. Sorry, the box is so heavy. Okay, so we just open this up, and then inside I always just write a note to myself because why not? I love how My Teresa have actually packaged the receipt. You can never be overdressed or overeducated. There's another card letting you know who wrapped it. Thank you, Roxy. Then we have the actual box for the product. It's again wrapped in tissue paper. Unwrap this bow. And then we have the sticker. I hate when tissue paper is just ripped. And then it's nicely wrapped up. And then here we have this Prada box. I'm sure you guys can tell what it is, but let me just unbox it. A thumbnail. So here we have a beautiful Prada box. Love the blue, iconic. So I'm opening this up. These are just instructions from My Teresa to take care. Here we just have the authenticity card in this beautiful tissue paper. Just gonna open this up. Open this up again. I need to be, these are so heavy, like that's why I'm literally about to drop them. And then open this up again, and voila! I'm gonna take out the first leg. Here we have these absolutely beautiful Prada boots. How gorgeous is this? Oh my! I love the smell of new leather. Okay, let me get out the other one. So, literally, these have been neatly packaged. And here is the other foot. How stunning. Oh my gosh. They're beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. These are called the brushed Rowies leather and nylon boots. So they are described as a military inspired leather combat boot that comes with a removable nylon pouch attached. And I believe it's reminiscent of the Prada reissue nylon bag. I got mine in a size 40.5. So as I told you guys in my last luxury haul, I always size up in designer shoes, either by half a size or 1/4 size, because I just always want them to be comfortable. I'm usually a 40, Euro size 40, but I got these in a 40.5 and they're perfect. Last year, it was the taller version that really blew. These actually came in a higher version, but that wasn't really for me, simply because I kind of knew it would be too much effort to put on and take off, so I just wouldn't get my cost per wear out of the boots. But when I saw these literally at the end of summer / beginning of autumn, I knew they were the ones. I knew. All of this part is leather. Do you guys know Hermes does a box leather in their bags? That's what this reminds me of. It's very shiny, very smooth, and it scratches very easily. I can already see some marks on it. Very, very smooth calf leather. And then you have obviously the lace up detail all down the front. And I love the fact that the boot is such a high platform. Being 5'4", every little height helps. This pouch here actually comes off. Can you see here? It's literally attached at the back. So this is detachable, so you can remove this, and then you have the Prada sign down here. If you're someone that likes a more demure type of style, literally you can just wear them like this. And you can also use this as some sort of bag, because look at the pouch. Can you see up here there's like a clip? It can be multi-purpose. You can even wear it around your wrist. You're getting like a really small pouch and boot. I don't know what you could keep in here, but it does open up. So you see the little Prada logo. It does open up. Just a really cute pouch. The Prada Milano sign inside. It's probably just big enough to keep your AirPods. Let's be real, but I mean, you're still getting a boot and a little pouch. So the $1,000 price tag, you know, kind of justified. I don't know, I think you're getting a lot for this boot. So this is the bottom. Really cute design actually. And you have Prada at the bottom. You also have the Prada Milano sign in front, and then all of these are holes, loopholes, but then the last two are hooks, so you can literally hook those up all the way to the top. For those of you wondering, this pouch does actually fully detach. Can you see? This is fully detached. So I was even thinking of using the two of them kind of like crossbody, sort of army style. I think that could be, you know, a cute vibe. These boots are quite hefty, right? But they're not so heavy that you would feel uncomfortable wearing them, if that makes sense. And they do fit very securely around your ankle. The reason why I actually bought these is because last autumn winter, so autumn winter 2019, I actually bought these boots. Now these are obviously a dupe, but I got these from Primark. These must have been £14. They couldn't have been more than that. And I wore these to death. I'm not joking. I literally wore these every single day, and they're still in really good condition actually. Because I wore these so much, I then decided to invest in the real pair. For me, cost per wear is very, very important. Otherwise, there's literally just no point of me getting them. Half of the world is still in quarantine or in lockdown, if not the whole world. So realistically, like, if you're going to be spending money on designer luxury pieces, they need to be pieces that you're going to wear, guaranteed. You know what I mean? There's no point buying something and it being in your closet, although I'm guilty of that on multiple occasions. Anyway, let's forget that. Point being is that I'm gonna wear these a lot, and I feel like they're the type of boot that you can wear during spring, even summer. Guys, the issue I have with these boots is the hardware is silver. Who does silver hardware anymore? It's gold or go home. I think maybe they wanted to try and make it a bit more edgier with the silver hardware, but I'm a gold gal. And all my hardware on my bags is gold as well. So that's the only predicament I'm in. So my thought process when buying designer luxury items: number one, how many outfits can I wear this with? I've literally tried to pair it with as many looks as possible, and guys, there is nothing, absolutely nothing, that these boots don't go with. These boots go with everything. I'm not joking. Skirts, trousers, everything under the sun. The answer is these boots can be worn with every single outfit in my wardrobe. The next question is, will I be wearing these in 5 years' time? This boot is very, very trendy. You guys already know, but military style has been in consecutively in autumn winter for the past, I would say 3 years solid. So I don't really see the whole military combat style going out of fashion. If in doubt, I do have the option to remove this part of the shoe. So as I told you guys before, this is completely removable. So it would literally just be a plain black leather boot, which is essential in everybody's wardrobe. I mean, hello. Even if this whole Prada nylon situation does go out of style, it's not so apparent that these are Prada boots. Once you take off these pouches, you would never know. So would I be wearing these in 5 years time? I believe I will, but let's see. Is this a staple in my wardrobe? So as I mentioned before, guys, I bought a dupe of these last year and I wore them. I'm not joking, every single time I went out, I wore these Primark dupes. They're like literally battered. I wore them every single day. The answer is yes. A pair of combat style military boots are a staple in my personal wardrobe. So I suggest whenever you do decide to splurge on a designer item to ask yourself those 3 questions. You can even go as far as buying the item, but then trying to pair it with as many different outfits as possible. So I am very, very happy with this purchase. I don't invest enough in comfortable footwear. I don't know why, but I used to buy like really high Christian Louboutins, and that's like literally all the shoes I used to have. So now I have to go back to the drawing board and buy footwear that I can actually wear on a day-to-day basis and get my cost per wear out of, which I think these will do the job. Guys, I need your help. Tell me what you think. Do you love them? Do you hate them? Should I keep them or not? Basically, that's what I need you guys to answer. Please leave a comment in the comment box below. I have about 2 weeks return policy on these. I tried to style them as much as I can, so let's just see what happens. I forgot to show you. Inside, we have dust bag. Yes, we do. We have these gorgeous Prada dust bags. Literally, it's like the Prada tag has been tacked on to these very dark. Oh, there's 2. Great. Oh, thank you, Jesus. I hate it when designers literally give 1 dust bag. Like, who does that? 2 dust bags is life. Navy blue. It feels like silk satin, and it's lined as well. Okay, Prada, come through. Like laces. How cool. Oh my god. Look, the string on the dust bag is literally laces. Sorry, these smaller details really get me. Whoever designed these dust bags, so creative. I see you. All right, guys, that is the end of my luxury designer unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I need you to tell me if you love these boots or if you hate them. Should I return them? Should I keep them? Let me know in the comment section below. As always, guys, don't forget to subscribe. If you love videos like this, make sure you hit that thumbs up and also turn on that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias. They will be linked up above. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.